கொடஞன் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விழுத்தெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கு
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Paul Krishnaraj. I am here to say proverb. All that glitters is not gold. மின்னுவதெல்லாம் பொன்னல்ல. A clean hand needs no washing. பொன் குடத்திற்கு பொட்டு வேண்டுமா? Life is short, art is long. கற்றது கையளவு, கல்லாதது உலகளவு. After a storm comes a calm. புயலுக்கு பின் அமைதி. Friend in need is a friend indeed. உயிர் காப்பான் உற்ற தோழன். Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Ashik Muhammad. Today's thought, no matter how far the past, we can always begin again. Thank you. Have a nice day.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். அன்பும் அறனும் உடைத்தாயின் இல்வாழ்க்கை பண்பும் பயனும் அது. பொருள். அன்பும் அறனும் உடையதாக இல்வாழ்க்கை விளங்குமானால் அதுவே வாழ்க்கையின் பண்பும் பயனும் ஆகும். நன்றி.
To everyone, today I am here to present some GK questions with you. So the first question is, who is our Sivagangai district collector? The answer is Thiru Madhusudana Reddy. Second question is, who was the highest taxpayer of India in the 90s? Many of them would guess that it would be Dhirubhai Ambani or the Tata family. But it is a man called Harshad Mehta. He was a share broker, he was pretty genius. The entire Indian share market was in his hand in the 90s. The third question is, which is the tallest building in the world? The building's name is Burj Khalifa and it is 828 meters height. The fourth question is, who won the gold medal for India in 2008 Olympics? His name is Abhinav Bindra and he won the medal in 10-meter air rifle event.
Happy morning, students. Good decisions come from experience, and experience comes from bad decisions, right? Anyway, decision plays an important role. We have to take decisions. Okay, when we take a decision, it may be good or bad. Ultimately, we get some experience. Okay, when we gain the experience, then we grow. Okay, so in our lives, my dear students, from this very young age, right, start taking decisions and make a note of it. I have taken this decision and it is successful, or I have taken this decision and it was a failure. Okay, and I have learned this from taking this decision, or I have learned these things from taking this bad decision. Like that, when you start notifying all your decisions at this young age, when you grow, you will become a great leader, because decision making lies at the heart of a leader. If you want to become a leader, you have to take decisions, right? So right from young age, okay, whether to eat idli or dosa, come on, take decision whether to take this or that, okay, whether to see this movie or that movie, whatever it is, just make a note of it and see. Decision making like that, you have a notebook. How many decisions you have taken, you please write it down. For example, 11th standard students, when you take the group, you take one group in the beginning. Then after some days, you change the group. Okay, you have decided to study this, then you change your decision. Please note down. Note down. So, how it is going to shape you, you will come to know when you grow up. Okay, decision making is a life skill. Okay, my dear students of classes 6 to 10, this Saturday we have PTA. You are welcome with your August month paper. My dear students of classes 9 to 12, if the school reopens on September 1st, we expect you all to be in white uniform, because we have already sent a note that Monday, Tuesday, regular uniform, Wednesday, white uniform, and Thursday, Friday, regular uniform, and Saturday, white uniform. So, September 1 falls on Wednesday. So, I expect everyone to be in white uniform on that day with good haircut, right? So, if the school reopens, okay, we will send you a message. Please note it down. We will send you a message. Then we will act accordingly. Okay, children, let us make a happy day. Okay, it is not have a happy day. Let us make a happy day. Making a day is in our hand. Let us make it happy. Thank you.